This is David with the Shepherd School, and today we're going to review or talk about Ayn Rand's Anthem. Okay, now a lot of folks who are familiar with Ayn Rand think of Anthem as Atlas Shrugged light. You know, it's the same sort of concepts, right? That push the story, but it's not quite the same. It is an easier read, a much easier read than Atlas Shrugged, but it gives up a lot of the good reasoning behind Atlas Shrugged. Okay, so what this book is about is it's set in a dystopian future where, um, based upon wars and all the things that technology can bring if it's not controlled, the government, the people have pretty much revolted against technology and individuality. Everybody doesn't, they have numbers instead of names, and the government picks your job for you. And it doesn't matter what you want, and everybody basically has the same sort of life. And one guy basically fell in love, which was a crime in among itself. He started to do research, which was a crime in among itself. He discovered subway tunnels and light bulbs and batteries and electricity, all things which gave him a death sentence. And basically, what that he did is he had to escape, and so the last part of the book is concerned with him escaping and going out with his love, trying to find a new lifestyle for them. It's pretty interesting. It's a good book. I enjoyed it. It's a lot easier read than Atlas Shrugged. But like I said, I read Atlas Shrugged, once a year, and it gets easier and easier and easier each time, you know, and each time it speaks to me just a little bit different. But for those who don't want to go through that trouble, then Anthem is a good book. Uh, Talks about the same sort of things, and I would wholeheartedly recommend it. Until next time, you can always catch it online, www.purplebookshelf.com.